so much, Janzi. Awards for appreciating the creatives. Banange tweyanziza. And njagala twala omusabu n'okwebaza writer wange. Yes, writer wange Jordana Mutoni. Ne producer wange Jakila Sudi, because they came up with something. Nzokuzanya is not really easy. It takes, what can I call it? It takes talent to bring out something, and abantu nebachiraba nebagamba, wow, this is real. It's something real. So thank you so much, Janzi Awards. This is my precious award. I'm going to sleep with it because I'm really. Thank you so much. I don't know. Oh my God.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. They got an award and got a check as well. I'm kindly asking the Stanbic team to remain behind, because this next award is also coming with an endowment that's coming from Stanbic. Thank you for supporting the arts. Very exemplary.